This dish is really amazing. Let's make it together when you have time. Half a head of rinsed pickled greens. The roots are hard. Remove some of them. And cut into strips. Soak in water for 10 minutes to remove the salty taste. Cut the beef tenderloin into slices along the texture. If you have time, freeze it in the fridge for half an hour to make it a little more solid, which will make it easier to cut. Then cut it into shreds against the texture. Slice ginger.
Oil.
Cut the scallion whites into batons. Marinate the beef. A spoonful of light soy sauce. A spoonful of dark soy sauce. And some sea salt and black pepper blend. Mix well in one direction until all the sauce is absorbed by the beef. Be sure to mix in the same direction all the time, so that the protein fibers stick together orderly, which is commonly known as getting strength. If you mix it clockwise and counterclockwise, it will be deflated. The juice cannot be absorbed, affecting the taste. A spoonful of sweet potato starch. This is made by my mom herself. It's in block form. If you buy it from supermarket, it should be powdered. If not, you can use other starches instead. Add a small amount of water and dissolve it fully. If it's in powder form, you can add it to the beef and stir it directly. Use the same method as before. Stir in one direction fully to coat the beef with a thin layer of starch. The role of starch is to allow the beef to quickly form a protective shell on its outer layer when exposed to high heat, thereby reducing water loss. This is the key to ensuring the beef's tenderness. Add some cooking oil. Oil can not only lock in moisture and enhance the color, but also makes it less likely to stick to the wok. Put it aside. The pickled greens are almost done. Take it out. Squeeze out as much water as possible. And set aside. Prepare some seasonings. Slice some Chinese leeks. Add some purple onions and shred them. Just smash the garlic to peel it easily. And mince them. Put them aside. Bird's eye chili. If you like spicy food, you can stir fry with scallions and garlic. If you don't like spicy food, put them aside. Add some garlic leaves. Cut into diamond-shaped pieces. All the ingredients today: beef julienne, Chinese leek, purple onions, minced garlic, pickled greens, bird's eye chili, garlic leaves. Turn on the heat. Keep the heat on high for this step. When the wok is smoking, add cooking oil. Add a little more oil. Shake the wok to fully coat the wok. Remember to keep the heat high throughout. This is the key to non-sticking. Add in the julienne beef. And quickly separate the beef and the wok. Stir fry for about 15 seconds and it's ready. Refire the wok. Add some cooking oil. Fry scallions and garlic over medium heat. Fry the scallions and garlic until golden brown. Add bird's eye chilies. Add the pickled greens. Stir fry evenly. After soaking in water, it has basically no sweet. Add a small spoonful of salt to season. And 2 more spoonfuls of white sugar. Continue to stir fry. Stir fry until the pickles are fully flavored. Add the fried beef back to the wok. Stir fry quickly over high heat. Add some light soy sauce for freshness. Stir a few times. Add garlic leaves. Stir fry evenly. Take out. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. When you don't know what to eat, it's your first choice. It's simple, quick, and delicious. It's a great rice puller. Loving what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. A good life starts with eating well. See you next time.